The Joker's redemption, a tale of chaos turned creativity. Dark, rainy Gotham City at night. The Joker stands over a defeated Batman, holding his mask in one hand, a smirk on his face. The city skyline looms in the background. In a shocking twist, the Joker outsmarts and defeats Batman, but instead of unleashing chaos, he uses his cunning for good. Transforming into an unlikely savior, he takes on Gotham's corruption and inspires the city to unite, proving that even the darkest hearts can find redemption. Gotham's darkest night took an unexpected turn when its greatest hero fell and its most chaotic villain rose. Flashback to an intense battle, the Joker outsmarts Batman with a mix of clever traps and psychological manipulation. All it took was one bad day to break you, Batsy, but don't worry, Gotham doesn't need a knight, it needs me. Batman, exhausted and injured, looks at the Joker with disbelief. You'll destroy everything. Not this time, I've got plans. Shutting down corrupt businesses with his cunning schemes. Organizing Gotham's criminals into a force that builds shelters and repairs neighborhoods. Against all odds, the Joker turned his chaos into creativity. With Batman gone, he found a new obsession, fixing Gotham, his way. The Joker addresses a crowd of cheering Gotham citizens. Who better to fix a broken city than someone who understands its cracks? Clips of police officers cautiously working alongside Joker's reformed gang, citizens cleaning graffiti, and crime rates dropping. Gotham's safer now than it's ever been. Bright, bustling Gotham City during the day. People walk safely in the streets. The Joker, now wearing a tailored purple suit, smiles as children run past him. Gotham's clown prince of crime became its unlikely savior, proof that even the darkest hearts can find redemption. Who knew being good could be this fun? If you enjoyed this unexpected twist, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more unique stories. Until next time, stay unpredictable.